So over here you can see that I have some shapes, and let's say what I want to do is I want to work around with its alignment options. So to do that, first of all, I need to select out all of these shapes right here, just like this. Then I need to go around over here onto the text menu. Then if I were to go around over here under position, then you can see that I can go around and keep it on the center right here. And I can go around over here onto text again and then change around with vertical center. And as I select, it stays on the center right here. So you can see that I can go around. You can also keep it at the lower third. You can select out individual object right here and then change around the position to vertical center over here, or you can go around and keep it onto horizontal center so that it stays right on the center. Another thing that you can do is you can align it. So as I select all of these, I can go around onto align object, then horizontal left, and everything is pushed to the left. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this, and then show the option as well. So on align object, you can align it to the center right here, so it is aligned to the center. You can go around and align it to the right here. If I were to go around and align it to the right, as you can see right here, then it gets aligned to the right. If I were to go around and then arrange it, align it, let's say for example, align it to the top, it gets aligned to the top, as you can see right here. You can align it to the center just like this, and you can align it to the bottom just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and work around with the selection and aligning of the objects right here, just like this. You can go around and work around with aligning options as you like on different positions. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.